What's up, everybody? Hey, Uncle Matt here. Now that we have this fancy new grill, check out the last vlog if you didn't check that out. We gotta go back to our roots. We gotta do a vlog we haven't done in a while. That is the Bob's Burgers Cookbook vlog. Tonight, for our burgers on the Blackstone flat top griddle, we are going to be going with the I've Created a Muenster Burger, Season 1, Episode 11. I don't know if I've pointed that out in previous Bob's Burgers, but it does list what episode is. This one's going to be very simple. I think it's the simplest one we've done so far. It's basically just sauteed mushrooms, cheese, meat. It calls for a dash of ketchup on the burger, but I'm actually going to make kind of like an aioli ketchup blend to make it a little bit more interesting. So I'll give you a quick look there at the recipe. Hit freeze if you want to screenshot it and follow along. Like I said, this is going to be a very easy one to do. Flat top's going to make it even easier because we can saute the mushrooms right next to the burgers while they're cooking. Everything can be going all at the same time, which is one of the things that's so cool about this. Is just it's got that versatility, that ability to do multiple things, have everything all going on at the same time. Whereas, previously, saute the mushrooms, throw them off to the side, start cooking the burgers, do everything together. Everything can go on all at the same time on the flat top grill. I've basically fallen in love with this and have committed to this being now a full-time me cooking on the flat top grill channel. So let's make a Bob's Burger. Alright, so like I said, this is going to be a really simple burger. I mean, it's pretty much just saute the mushrooms, cook the burgers, melt the cheese, put everything together. It's going to be really easy. We're going to start with the mushrooms. Just going to throw a whole pack on the grill and let them get sauteed up really nicely. I'm talking like a weirdo. Gots to have the butter. Don't go away. No, come back. Come over here. I want you over here. Why are you running away? Oh, God. Alright, mushrooms are coming along nicely. We're going to throw the burgers on. As I've mentioned in the last video, the cool thing about this is you can kind of have the heat levels different. So I got this kind of on a low level. Well, this will just saute up and stay warm. I can throw the burgers on the other side and just have them go in and actually cook, and so that's what we're going to do next. These are Omaha steak burgers, by the way. They are wanting to fall apart a little bit. Alright, mushrooms sauteed up nicely. The burgers have been flipped. They're cooking a little bit more. The trick to this meal, if you didn't look at the recipe, is you put one layer of cheese down, mushrooms go on top, second layer of cheese to kind of seal the mushrooms on. It's like a little cheese mushroom sandwich on top of the burger. Also got some air fryer fries going inside, because you can't have burgers without fries, obviously. Here we go. Cheese, 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 cheese. Cheese to seal everything in. That last thing we need to do, we're going to throw some oil down because we're going to toast our buns while the burgers finish. Okay, we have finished cooking Nashville SC is about to kick off against Real Salt Lake. Needed a nice little bounce back. Ooh, is Teal Bunbury starting and Alex Moyle? I haven't seen the lineup yet. This is all my live reactions to some interesting lineup choices. But there's a look at what the burger looks like. The finished product. Have a taste of it. I've created a Muenster burger from Bob's Burgers. Bone apple teas. It's good. Like I said, as I was cooking, it's a very basic burger. The recipe's not that complicated. It's basically mushrooms, burger, cheese. I kind of made an aioli to go with it instead of just the ketchup the recipe called for, and dip that. Let's see if we get a little more of the aioli in this bite. I don't want to toot my own horn, but the aioli might be the best part of this burger. So, Bob, if you're watching, maybe do an aioli, ketchup at base, ketchup, mayo, salt, pepper, garlic powder, lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce. That might be the best part of this burger. So, Bob, if you want to steal that idea, go for it. Air fried fry. Good as always. These always turn out good. The air fryer has changed my life. The Blackstone griddle is on the way to changing my life. What a time. Time for kickoff. Boys in gold. Larry's apparently doing something in the other room. Real Salt Lake. I've always thought Real Salt Lake was the dumbest name in all of sports. That's like the height of MLS teams just trying to copy like European teams stuff, because like Real Madrid, it's Royal Madrid. It makes sense over there. But in Salt Lake City, Real Salt Lake is the stupidest thing in the world. Like, I can't believe they still are calling themselves that. At some point in time, somebody should have said, hey, let's try to make our league a little more serious, not just like a ripoff of random European club names. So stupid. Anyway, here we go. Boys in gold. Burger's great. Great dinner. I'm loving the Blackstone Grill. Come on, you boys in gold. Why haven't we kicked off yet? This is the most like longest drawn out kickoff I've ever seen. Hope this isn't the camera angle for the whole game either. Like, we're like a mile away from the field. Okay, we're closing in now. I'm not gonna make you watch my entire commentary on this game. Or will I? There it is. Kickoff just happened. Okay, I'm gonna watch the game. You do what you... And the screen went blue. Okay, we got the screen back. Alright, I'm gonna watch the game. You do what you do. I'm gonna finish up my dinner and I'll come back with some additional thoughts. Alright, it's 1-1 at halftime for Nashville SC and Real Salt Lake. Nashville SC had the better of the play, gave up a really bad goal within like the first 2 minutes of the game, but answered back and came back pretty strong. Burger's pretty good. I don't think it was one of the best ones we've had. Jesta, your thoughts?
I think it was one of the best ones we've had.
Okay. I thought it was good, but I just thought it was kind of basic. I didn't think there was like a whole lot to it. Maybe the simplicity of it was good for you.
It could also be the vodka.
Oh, she's been drinking vodka. I'm not a drinker, so maybe if I'd been drinking, I would have liked it better. Anywho, the griddle is still continuing to be a huge success. More to come with that. There was Jester for like a split second. Stay tuned. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more updates or when we cook more stuff on the griddle. And I've disappeared into darkness. I am the night. I am vengeance. There's Jesta. Can you see her? She's right there.